Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add music to Facebook story. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply open the profile, and here you can see the option that is add to story. Tap on it, and after this you can just simply select the photo that you want to add a Facebook story. I can select this photo. After selecting the photo, you can now tap on music at the right side of the screen, and here you can just simply search the favorite music, or you can add this different musics. And after adding the music, you can now post the story to your Facebook account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.